Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find people that you have recently played game with on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Game Center. Next, tap on your profile at the top here, and then tap on the More button right next to the Done button, and then tap on Recently Played With, and here you will see a list of all the players you have recently played with. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the Done button to close that window, and then you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.